Alright, let's integrate an AI chatbot into your Drupal website using Tidio, and we'll do this in the simplest and fastest way possible. So starting from here, I already have my Drupal website ready. Now the goal is to add a smart chatbot that can handle user queries automatically and improve engagement. First, you need to log into your Tidio dashboard. Once you're inside, Tidio will automatically guide you to connect your website. You just need to enter your site URL, and it will generate a unique script for your website. Now, this script is the most important part. This is what connects your Drupal website with the chatbot. Once you copy the script, come back to your Drupal project. In Drupal, there are multiple ways to add this, but the easiest and quickest method is to add it directly into your theme's html.twig file. So you navigate to your theme directory, then go to Templates, then Layout, and open the html.html.twig file. We'll add the script just before the closing body tag so that it loads properly without affecting performance. After adding the script, don't forget to clear the cache. This step is very important in Drupal, otherwise the changes won't reflect. Once the cache is cleared, refresh your website. Now you'll notice a chat icon appearing on the bottom corner of your screen, and that means your chatbot is successfully integrated. Now let's test it. I'm going to open the chatbot and ask a simple question: what Infidelt does? You can see that the AI, which is Lyro inside Tidio, is typing the response in real time. And within a few seconds, it gives a proper answer based on the configured data. This is powerful because now your website is no longer static. It's interactive, it can answer user queries instantly, and it can even help in generating leads. Now moving forward, you can train this chatbot with your business data, FAQs, and website content to make it even smarter. And here, let me show you exactly where we added the script. This is the html.html.twig file inside the Drupal theme, and as you can see, the Tidio script is placed just before the closing body tag. That's it, no complex setup, no heavy coding. You now have a fully functional AI chatbot running on your Drupal website. In the next step, you can enhance this further by customizing responses, automating workflows, and turning this into a complete AI assistant for your site.